Hi friends, do you know what the cell wall is and where all it is present? In this video, we see that in detail. Generally, we are knowing there are five kingdoms, and the first kingdom is Monera, a Monera and Protista, and the fungi and the plantae. The first four kingdoms shows a presence of a cell wall, and cell wall of the particular group of organisms are made from particular composition. So Monera is having a composition mainly made from peptidoglycan, and this peptidoglycan is consisting the muramic acid main composition in it's a cell wall. Okay, and where the protista some of the organisms are having and some are not having. To be said, only few of the protista groups are having a cell wall, and if they are having a cell wall, the cell wall is made from cellulose, and some of the cell wall is consisting of silicon, and some of the organisms cell wall is consisting of proteins. This is related to protista. And when you consider fungi shows a characteristic cell wall, that is, it consists mainly of chitin in its structure. And plantae is having very specific and helpful uh, cell wall, and this cell wall of the plantae is mainly made from cellulose. In a plants, the cell wall is outer wherever it is outermost covering it would act, and it functions as a protective covering, and it gives a stronger or strength to the plant or wherever it is present in an organism. And when you consider the plantae, if you consider the plantae organisms are having two cell wall layers. That is, the outermost cell wall is called as a primary cell wall, and inner to that there will be a secondary cell wall, and these both are connected by a structure called as a lamellae, through which the transportation of water and minerals will take place. In a cell wall, there is a plasmodesmata, we say, this through which cytoplasmic connections from one cell to the another cell will be done, and minerals and water will be transported through the plasmodesmata. So simple, if you say this is a cell wall, this is a plasma membrane, and there will be a plasmodesmata. So this is plasmodesmata.